this video, we are provided with a string, and we are to return the first two characters from the given string. And if the string length is less than 2, then we use at for the missing characters. So we can start off by finding the length of the string. So int length is equal to str.length. And then we have ifs. So if the length is equal to 0, in that case there's two missing characters, so we have return and then two ats. Else if, so if the length is equal to 1, in that case there's only one missing character, so we have return. So we're going to return the first character first, so return str.substring, and 0 would be for the first character, and then the missing character would be 1 at. And if all of those are not the case, then we have else. So else, we return the first two characters from the given string. So return str.substring, and then 0 and 2. So this would be the solution.